Hi, welcome to Toshani's Experimental Hub. Today I'll be showing you how to make crystals. These are small but mind-blowing experiments which I like to do. So these are the ingredients which you need. So, as a rock with a flat bottom and a small size so it will fit in one of these cups, which I hope you can get in grocery stores. A plastic spoon, half a cup of boiling water, monoammonium phosphate, which I also hope you get in grocery stores, 1 cup labeled A and 1 cup labeled B. So first, you need to pour the boiling hot water into the cup labeled A near the top. Then you pour the monoammonium phosphate into this cup, but leave some crystals for seeding. Alright. I left some seeding crystals. Now put the rock into the clean cup B. Then pour all of the contents in cup A into cup B. Now pour the seeding crystals on the rock. Now, you have to wait for 24 hours for the crystals to grow. After 24 hours, you will clean the cups, and then after 2 days, you will, the results will be this. You can see the base and the crystals growing on it. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.